Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of neon LED strip lights, and let me tell you, we've got something special in store for you. Introducing the best neon LED strip lights on the market, the LED neon rope lights by LETIANPAI. These aren't your average strip lights, folks. They're a game changer in the world of home decor and ambiance enhancement. So, buckle up and get ready for a neon adventure. Let's kick things off by talking about functionality. These LED neon strip lights offer a wide range of features and options that will blow your mind. From adjusting brightness to choosing from 29 dynamic modes, and even syncing with music or the microphone, the possibilities are endless. And get this, controlling these neon lights is a breeze. With a convenient remote control and the Lotus Lantern app, you can easily customize the lighting experience to suit your mood or occasion. Plus, with the timer switch function, you can set specific times for the lights to turn on or off, adding convenience to your setup. But wait, there's more. These neon strip lights are not only versatile but also customizable. You can cut them to the desired length, making them suitable for various spaces and applications. Whether you want to decorate your bedroom, living room, or even your workspace, these flexible neon lights offer endless possibilities. Now, let's talk about quality and efficiency. These neon LED rope lights operate on low voltage, ensuring energy efficiency and long-lasting performance. With their neon glow, they provide a vibrant and eye-catching display that will enhance any environment. And here's the best part, safety and assurance are top priorities with LETIANPAI. All accessories of these LED neon rope lights are officially certified, guaranteeing peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Plus, with a commitment to quality assurance and exceptional customer service, you can trust that you're getting a 5-star product. So, there you have it, folks, the best neon LED strip lights in the market. With their unparalleled functionality, versatility, and quality, the LED neon rope lights by LETIANPAI are sure to elevate any space. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, stay illuminated.